Hi, hello, and welcome to our channel. I am Jiva Mukesh. In this video, we will dive into the inspirational journey on generating pyramid patterns using stars, numbers, and letters. This tutorial consists of two parts. Today in part 1, we will focus on how to create pyramid patterns with incremental rows. Incremental rows means that each row contains one more number than the previous row. Row 1 has one element. Row 2 has 2 elements, row 3 has 3 elements, and so on. By the end of this part, you will understand how to use nested loops and spacing to build beautiful, center-aligned pyramids by using the Java programming language. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with more programming tutorials. To watch our previous tutorials, click the link in the description below. Let's dive right into today's topic. Before we dive into the problem, we want to know what kind of center-aligned pyramid patterns we can generate it by using stars, numbers, and letters. Pattern 1. For row where I starts from 1 star will be generated I times, row 1 1 star, row 2 2 stars. Pattern 2. For row where I starts from 1 number will be generated exactly I times, row 1 1, row 2 2 2. Pattern 3. For row where I starts from 1, print numbers from 1 up to I, row 1 1, row 2 1 2. Pattern 4. For row where I starts from 1, print I numbers in sequence starts from I, row 1 1, row 2 2 3, row 3 3 4 5. Pattern 5. For row where I starts from 1, print I numbers continuously until reach to end of the row, row 1 1, row 2 2 3, row 3 4 5 6. Pattern 6. For row where I starts from 1, letter will be generated exactly I times, row 1A, row 2BB. Pattern 7. For row where I starts from 1, print letters from A up to I, row 1A, row 2AB. Pattern 8. For row where I starts from 1, print I letters in sequence starts from I, row 1A, row 2BC, row 3CDE. Pattern 9. For row where I starts from 1, print I letters continuously until reach to end of the row, row 1A, row 2BC, row 3DEF. Hope you guys gain a clear understanding of generating center-aligned pyramid patterns. Now let's take the time for generating these patterns one by applying Java code. That's all for today. I hope you guys understood today's topic well. Remember, our inspirational journey on generating pyramid patterns using stars, numbers, and letters is not ending today. It will be continue on next part. If you have any queries or doubts, please mention them in the comments below, and I will be happy to help. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with more programming tutorials. See you in the next video.